Ready to spice up your food knowledge? Algerian traditional soups are a vibrant reflection of the country's rich cultural mosaic. Did you know that soup is a staple at almost every Algerian table, especially during Ramadan when families gather to break their fast? These soups blend Berber, Arab, Ottoman, and French influences, creating flavors that are both comforting and boldly aromatic. Among the most beloved, chorba fric stands out. This tomato-based soup features cracked green wheat, fric, tender lamb, chickpeas, and a medley of fresh herbs like cilantro and parsley. It's hearty, aromatic, and often enjoyed with a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavors. Next, harira, popular across North Africa, but with a distinct Algerian twist, combines lentils, chickpeas, tomatoes, and lamb, thickened with flour and spiced with cinnamon, ginger, and coriander for a warm, complex taste. Lastly, jari is a lighter yet flavorful soup, made with chicken or lamb, vermicelli noodles, and vegetables, simmered in a delicately seasoned broth that comforts and nourishes. Whether enjoyed as a starter or a main dish, these soups are more than meals. They're a taste of Algerian heritage in every bowl, showcasing the country's rich culinary traditions and communal spirit.